Here's something that you need to know. The calmest person in the room controls the dynamics. That's true. And being calm isn't just your personality, but rather how you work with your nervous system. That you have a nervous system that you can work with to self-regulate, to find the answers that are true for you. And the power behind that is that you start to walk in your life with meaning and with purpose. And that's what Kundalini Yoga Teacher Training has to offer. So whether you want to do this kind of learning experience for your own personal development, or you want to do this to be certified and to pass this knowledge and ancient knowledge on to your community, both of those options are available to you. And part of what we explore is the idea of being in spiritual community, the ways that you can start to voice your opinions and to share your knowledge and to intermingle with people who are walking a similar path but come from very different walks of life. And that's the power of it. Because yoga, Kundalini yoga, meditation, and breath work are ancient keys to unlocking what's happening in our nervous system, to allow us to mature, to have the emotional regulation to go through life and whatever life is lifing for us right now. And that's the power. I've seen people come into the program shy, withdrawn, not quite sure, lacking some confidence, and then exiting the program 12 months later with a huge array of emotions and expressions and ability to chart their own course and make their own decisions. And that comes from the safety of being in community. And safety comes from love and belonging and connection. And when you have those components come together, we can all flourish. And so I invite you now into this experience. Book a discovery call, and let's get to know how this program could help you, specifically you. We're waiting for you.